We've got one last solve a system of equations. So remember, you have two major options, elimination and substitution. I would not consider a substitution because neither variable x nor y are easy to solve for in either equation. So I would think about elimination. As it stands right now, neither of them are really great for elimination. But after some rewriting, maybe elimination is the way to go. So how would you like to rewrite them? Sure. What would the first one be as an exponential equation? And what would the second one be? Now looking at your two variables, which ones would be easier to eliminate, x's or y's? Y. Let's multiply the top equation by what so that we can eliminate the y's? -2? So our new first equation is -2x cubed equals -4y. Our second equation stays the same. So remember, elimination, multiply one or both equations by non-zero numbers so that when added, a variable goes away. So when we now add these two equations, what happens to the y's? They cancel. So you're going to get 0 on the right. What do you got on the left? Please be careful. Yeah. So remember, you're adding the equations, not subtracting them. So now we're left with x squared minus 2x cubed equals 0. How do we solve for x? Factor out an x squared, and you'd be left with what? Well, if the first factor was set equal to 0, that means if x squared was set equal to 0, what do you get for x? For our problem, can x equal 0? Why? Only the subscript had a specific name. The base. The base has got to be positive and not equal to 1. So x not equal to 0, not a viable answer for us. How about 1 minus 2x equals 0? What does this say about x? X is a half. Can we have a base of a half? Yeah. Is it positive and not equal to 1? Yeah. It's okay. That's your only requirement for a base. It has to be positive and not equal to 1. Hooray! So now we have to find y. Well, you can go back to either of your other equations. Let's pick that second one there.
And 0 is not positive or negative. It can't be a base.
Since 0 is not positive, period, it can't be a base. So if x squared equals 4y, that means 1/2 squared equals 4y. So 1/4 equals 4y. So what does y equal? 1/16. So as an ordered pair, you would say